Hello, Dr. Pasaf, Clairbourn faculty and staff, students, parents, and fellow classmates. My name is Kristy S, and I have been at Clairbourn for 3 years. Compared to my friends, my years at Clairbourn has been really short. Without this lessen my appreciation and love for this school. I can clearly remember the first day I stepped onto the campus as a sixth grader. I was amazed at the nice environment and the friendly attitudes towards me, even though I was merely a stranger to my classmates at the time. Throughout these 3 years, Clairbourn has taught me many things, not just educational skills, but also how to take risks. My dad used to always tell me that no risk equals to no success and progress. Ever since I was little, I heard stories about how my dad took a big risk moving to a big city. Unlike all of the people living in the same town as him, my dad was able to attend college after his family worked hard to earn the money. He went after his dreams, but there was a high chance of him failing in a new environment and wasting all of his efforts. Of course, it all worked out for him, and he was able to settle down in the city. Through my dad's experience, I learned that taking risks is important, but I didn't know how or when to take the risks for myself. However, coming to the United States gave me a great opportunity. Even before my Clairbourn experience, my life has been filled with risk-taking. The first 7 years of my life were in China. Like my dad, I left the place that I called home for a new life in a familiar country. I risked losing my friends in China and entering into such different environment that I have many difficult challenges for me. When I first came to America, I was supposed to enter 3rd grade, but I didn't know enough English to speak, read, or write, so I was placed in the 1st grade class where I learned English from my new friends. As the school year ended, my friends moved on to 2nd grade, and I was placed in 3rd. I made new friends, but at the end of the year, they moved on to 4th grade. I once again had to start over because instead of going to 4th grade, I skipped into 5th and had to make new friends there. Just when I thought I could settle into my new group of friends, my old school announced that I was going to close down. Once again, I had to be the new girl in a different environment. However, Clairbourn was so much better than what I had expected. Everyone here was friendly and welcoming, but I was still afraid to step out. Even though my years at Clairbourn have been the best of my life, I still have some regrets. Thinking back, I realized that I wasn't brave enough in 6th grade to reach out to my new classmates. Instead of trying to get to know all my peers, I stayed next to a few close friends and didn't take the risk of trying to get to know new people. Even in 7th grade, I only reached out to 1 or 2 friends and then was trying to make new friends. But this year, I took a risk and started trying to get to know my other classmates better. I realized how much better Clairbourn is after I stepped out of my comfort zone and made new friends. Stepping out allowed me to see how special our class is and appreciate everyone in our class. Soon, the class of 2019 will be heading off towards both a great and scary time in our lives, a time where everyone will be faced with the opportunity to take new risks and explore our interests or stay the same. As we are moving forward to the next stage of our lives, it is important to remember the wonderful memories made here at Clairbourn. Together, we've been to Pali Institute, where we experienced the rope courses and teamwork activities. There was the 6th grade field trip that taught us about different jobs, and the 7th grade medieval times field trip, which helped us understand more about knights. All of these activities helped our class bond together. Now that we will soon graduate, I would like to give thanks to my classmates, the teachers, and my parents. Without the teachers and the students' help, the welcoming environment here at Clairbourn wouldn't exist. I'm grateful to all the teachers that once helped me through a difficult time, whether it was a word I didn't understand or a question I needed help on. Thank you to the class of 2019 for providing me a pleasant and unforgettable experience at Clairbourn during these 3 years. Most importantly, I would like to thank my family for working hard to provide me an education at this beautiful school. Now that it will soon be the time to say goodbye, I would like to advise you all to take risks and do whatever you think is right. Lewis Carroll, the author of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, is attributed to saying, "In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, the relationships we were afraid to have, and the decisions we waited too long to make. Not wait until the last minute to regret not taking a risk, because taking a risk can lead to unexpected discoveries about yourself as you move on through your life." With that kept in mind, we're more than ready to move on to a new journey. Thank you, Clairbourn, Dr. Pasaf, teachers, faculty, parents, and friends, and congrats to the class of 2019.